Hello, my name is Tyler Kocius, and today we will be discussing the website application Pictochart. If you're like me, you hear the word Pictochart and think to yourself, what in the HE double hockey sticks is that? You're in luck. During this presentation, I'll be explaining what Pictochart is, how to sign up, how to use it, and what makes it so special compared to the competition. So, Pictochart is part of the growing offering of digital tools that allows even those with very low graphic design skills, like myself, to create visually striking infographics. It does this by making everything online with simple to use controls. Pictochart might be aimed at adults in the working world who want to create engaging presentations, but it works well in the classroom too. Since it is so easy to use, it offers a way to work quickly that makes for engaging content. So it's a win-win for students and teachers. Before we get started, brief history lesson is needed. In March of 2012, Pictochart was launched by co-founders that were based in Malaysia. By the end of the year, Pictochart grew its user base to more than 170,000 users and received a $140,000 grant from the Malaysian government. As of 2018, Pictochart has been used by more than 11 million people worldwide. So, to get started, type into Google search the word Pictochart, and I have it already copied and pasted here. It is Pictochart. You will push enter. It will be the very first link right here. Pictochart. Create infographics, posters, and presentations online. So, it will get you to this white screen. It's the all-in-one visual storytelling solution. This is what you want to be on. As you can see, there is a little button up here in blue. It says sign up. It's on the right hand side, very, very top. You will click sign up. Now, I've already had an account, so I will go into log in. Now, when you are making an account, you can either do one of three options. You can sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, or you can just sign in with an email and password. Now, those are the only three you can use. Now, I was always taught to use Google, so I will be using Google. I'll be using my St. Vincent account. And here we go. So, after you pick the Google account you want to use, you will be at the Pictochart home screen. It may seem a little overwhelming at first, but I promise you I will break it down for you. With the free version, you are able to create up to 5 visuals. A visual is just the term they use for projects that you can create. The 6 different templates that you can make on Pictochart are infographics, presentations, posters, reports, flyers, and social media. I'll take a few seconds and click on each so you can see examples of each, but the in-depth analysis will be on the presentation template. As you can see, they're here on the left-hand side. So here's some infographics. You can see very pleasing to the eye, especially these Halloween ones. They really caught my eye. I'll say presentations for last because that's what we'll be doing an in-depth analysis with. As you can see, many different types that you can use. Laboratory safety, Valentine's Day appreciation lunch. There's a lot of different uses you can use than just for school. Reports, again, very pleasing to the eye. It really pops out these colors. We have flyers to help people just stay organized. And then we have social media. Again, a lot of different uses you can do. So we'll start with presentations. I'm going to do the flu one because the flu is out. So I'll use template. It will be loading this. As you can see, all your stuff is over here. Your shapes and icons. Say if I wanted to add a circle, I add a circle, make it bigger, smaller, want to turn it around. And then to delete it, you'll do right click and then delete. Another cool thing is that I really liked was photos. So say I wanted to do a flu photo. I type in flu. This person is sick. Drag it over here. And another cool thing I can do with this, I can put like a photo frame around it. So let's do a computer one. That'd be cool. All I have to do is drag this into here and then boom, photo is on. As you can see, template is already there and it's very informational. All these templates are very informational and are already set up for success. And all you'll have to do to save it is click this little save button up here. You'll have to rename it, of course, so we'll do flu. And it is saved. Go back to the dashboard. Go to My Templates. It should just be on the dashboard, yep. And here's my flu one. As you can see, I've made 1 out of 5. So in closing, Pchart is a fantastic application with more than just one use. And I look forward to using this in the near future.